Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy troubleshooting for iPhone XU2 USB charging IC chip replace. Let's get started. At first, we will disassemble the phone. Removing the sandwich motherboard. Now place the motherboard to a motherboard layered heating system to heat up the layered motherboard. After proper heat up, disassemble the sandwich motherboard.
iPhone X charging IC. So now we are going to microscope.
You are viewing microscopic view. Removing the U2 IC. Cleaning the motherboard connectors. Installing the new U2 IC. Again, place the motherboard to a motherboard layered heating system to heat up the layered motherboard for assembly. Assembling the phone. It's time to test.
Yes.
And that's it. You've successfully resolved the iPhone X not charging issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.